Dear viewers, today we will discuss quadratic equation. A quadratic equation is a polynomial equation of degree 2 expressed in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of quadratic equation. We can say that when a variable having maximum power 2, we can say that it is a quadratic equation. Where a, b and c are constants. A, b and c are constants in quadratic equation, and x is an unknown variable, mean x adopt different values, 1 sometimes 1, sometimes 0. The solutions to the quadratic equation can be found using the quadratic formula or by factorizing. This is quadratic formula and factorizing are the methods to solve the quadratic equation. Here are some examples of quadratic equation. X square minus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. Y square plus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0. X square minus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. Here we can say that 4, 5 are constant, x are variables. So this is the concept of quadratic.